Hi guys, I'm back again to the vlog section. This is another vlog again. It's been really long that I have been posting videos on YouTube, and yeah, I'll let you know the reason. Stay tuned to this channel and watch this video till the end. More than a vlog, this is just a chit chat kind of a session with you. So yeah. So I am here with Sai Teja.
Hi.
That's my friend. I guess you have seen him in the video, last two videos. Yeah, so many people in Instagram have asked me about where I clicked my last two posts. If you really haven't checked those posts, I'll give you my Instagram handle in the description. Go check them out. So I thought of showing you people where that place is actually. So yeah, look. This is actually a building beside my place, which is actually under construction. This is the place where I clicked those amazing pictures. As today is, the climate is different, but trust me, sunsets here are really, really amazing. And if you see that there, that building, yeah, that building is the building which I clicked in my other post. Well, today's weather is also not that bad, and I feel that this place is beautiful all the time. So yeah, let's click some B-roll and few pictures. So yeah, the photos that I've clicked right now of the building and all the other things are with my zoom lens, that is 55 to 250 mm. It's a pretty good lens for beginners and to click landscapes. So first thing, we came up here just to show you the location of where I shooted all those great sunsets and the other two landscapes. And the second point was we were actually chilling out. As I told you before, I just wanted to talk with you guys and tell you why or what the actual reason is to not vlog for 3 long weeks. The reason why I couldn't vlog, it's not like I did not want to. I couldn't vlog or I couldn't do any other video is because yes, I had content in my mind. I had planned few of my videos to do and all stuff, but I wanted to do a vlog. Number one, I couldn't go out, and number two, for every person who tries to be creative, I feel that not only few people but every human being on this earth is creative at some or the other point. So to be creative, you need a lot of thought process, you need a lot of focus in your brain and all stuff. Ideas can be building up in your head, but if you're not focusing on it properly, those ideas will shatter out. You'll be left out with a vacuum in your brain, and which is really, really very, I don't know how to express it, but I was in that kind of void for these 3 weeks. I wanted to do stuff, I wanted to click pictures, I had many ideas going in my mind, but I was not having a path to how to do it or when to do it or whatever those reasons might be. I'm not justifying my delay of putting up videos and vlogs. Yeah, this is the actual reason. To overcome that, whatever you have to do is what I will tell you once we go back to my place. Till then, bye. Talk to my boy. He is a very busy person and he does not have dates and time to talk. He's very busy. So bye. We had a lot of talks. We clicked a lot of pictures. I also clicked many great, decent looking pictures of the weather and the climate. And yeah, as I told you, that was where I clicked my previous 3 photos which are actually posted in my Instagram, as many of you asked me where it was. Yeah. So all these 3 weeks I had many vague ideas consistently hitting my mind about photography, filmmaking and videography, but I actually did not put proper focus on it. So all of these ideas flew away. So after this break time, I have actually realized few things which I feel might be helpful for you people to get over this void kind of state, which by the way is very common in general. Basically, there are 2 important points which you have to keep in your mind. Number 1, never let your momentum down. Your brain is nothing different to a machine which once started will go with a constant speed until you switch it off. So how your brain works depends upon how much pressure you put on it, and this pressure should be from yourself. It should be an internal pressure that is within you. That means you should not pressurize yourself because you feel that someone else is doing it or you feel that most of your peers are doing it. And this internal pressure is very important for photography, be it sketching, be it anything which needs imagination and creativity in it. So precisely, in photography or in filmmaking, once you start putting out your ideas, once you start shooting your ideas, your brain will subconsciously give you a self-motivation which will drive you to create more and to imagine more and to get more and more ideas. So, precisely, in photography or in filmmaking, once you start putting out your ideas, once you start shooting your ideas, your brain will subconsciously give you a self-motivation which will drive you to create more and to imagine more and to get more and more ideas. What I mean to say is, keep your mind charged all the time. Consistently put your mind focused onto something which your passion is driving you to. Number 2, until and unless it is very, very necessary, don't take a break. Hold on. Don't take me wrong. Let me explain. Don't take a break from brushing your brain with ideas and properly focusing on them. Because once you stop focusing on them, which I initially did, your brain will stop putting focus onto the ideas which you already have, and eventually you will not even get proper ideas. Once you go back to zero, if you really try hard and try to get back to the grind, it will take a lot of time to get back to the momentum that you previously had. So, don't give it a break. Remember, these things are not to show someone something that you have, but it's for you to get hold on your capability. These 2 points might sound similar but are completely different if you properly understand them. So yeah, these are the 2 important things that I actually thought of sharing with you guys, and I missed out sharing with you guys because I strongly feel that at least few of you guys who are facing this situation or who might face this state will help themselves to get out of it. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope that you guys got something out of this video. Do like if you like this video. Do subscribe if you haven't already. I will try putting up vlogs and videos consistently from now at least. After all this, if you have still not checked the latest post on my Instagram handle, I will give you my Instagram handle in the description. Click that and check those amazing sunsets and landscapes, which I actually feel that they are decent enough. Not amazing, decent enough. Keep clicking, keep shooting, keep creating, and until then, peace out. Oh, do comment down your views on this video and was this really helpful for you to think in a different way. Yeah.